The Metaverse seamlessly blends digital and physical worlds, creating transformative experiences powered by WebXR technology. WebXR brings AR and VR to web browsers, eliminating the need for expensive headsets or software. As an open standard, WebXR democratizes immersive experiences, making them accessible to a broader audience. WebXR supports cross-platform compatibility, working on smartphones, tablets, laptops, and VR headsets effortlessly. By enabling browser-based experiences, WebXR fosters real-time engagement and accessibility in the metaverse. Virtual meeting spaces built with WebXR allow seamless collaboration across devices, enhancing interoperability in the metaverse. WebXR enhances online shopping with virtual showrooms and AR previews accessible directly from browser links. Immersive educational tools powered by WebXR offer dynamic and interactive learning experiences for students and professionals. Healthcare providers use WebXR for virtual therapy sessions and innovative approaches to telehealth services. WebXR-powered live concerts let fans interact as avatars in immersive 3D venues, redefining digital entertainment. Retailers use WebXR to let customers visualize furniture in their homes, bridging online and physical shopping. WebXR enables corporate training in simulated virtual environments, allowing risk-free practice of real-world skills. Developers can create compelling WebXR experiences with tools like Frame, Three.js, and Babylon.js. High-quality 3D assets built with Blender and Unity form the backbone of engaging WebXR applications. Testing WebXR experiences with emulators ensures compatibility across devices, enhancing user satisfaction. The decentralized nature of WebXR aligns with the Metaverse's goal of platform-agnostic digital ecosystems. WebXR integrates seamlessly with 5G and edge computing, enabling faster, richer Metaverse interactions. Interactive AR and VR experiences powered by WebXR are transforming industries like retail, education, and healthcare. WebXR's accessibility through standard browsers expands its reach to users with basic devices or slower internet. Embracing WebXR allows creators to innovate and thrive in the fast-evolving metaverse landscape.